Should you buy a 3D printer? 3D printing has come a long way. What was once expensive and experimental is now affordable and mainstream. Just a few years ago, high-performance printers cost thousands. Now, you can get solid machines for just a few $100s. Was it the right time to buy? Entry-level printers like the Ender 3 or Anycubic Cobra go for around $200 to $300. Meanwhile, high-end options like the Bambu Lab X1 Carbon offer pro-level quality for under $1,000, something unheard of a few years ago. PLA, ABS, PEG, and even flexible or carbon fiber-infused filaments open up endless possibilities, from miniatures to functional machine parts. But there are challenges. 3D printing requires trial and error, maintenance, and patience to get the best results. So, should you get one? If you love DIY, problem-solving, and creating things from scratch, now is the best time to buy a 3D printer. Prices have dropped, tech has improved, and the possibilities are endless. Are you thinking about getting one? Let us know what you print first.